sunrise. Today's the winter solstice, December 21st, shortest day of the year. In this part of the world, we got about 9 hours and 8 minutes of sunlight. If you're further north, you got a little bit less, further south a little more. Today is also National Coquito Day. The coquito is a very popular national holiday drink in Puerto Rico. It's often made with milk, cream of coconut, and of course Puerto Rican rum. Other important national holidays today. Today's National Crossword Puzzle Day. Back in 1913, on this day, Arthur Wynne published what was thought to be the first crossword puzzle in the New York World newspaper at the time, and it's been quite a hit since. Today is also National Short Girl Appreciation Day, so recognition of those short girls in your life. And then finally, last but not least, we also have to remember National Wreaths Across America Day. Today's a day where we put Christmas wreaths on the tombs of fallen soldiers and also honor our veteran ceremony at the Arlington National Cemetery today. We're going to run down this hill, continue on with our very cold Saturday winter solstice run. It's about 21 degrees with the wind chill. Stay tuned, more to come. Bobbinger's Creek, still flowing, not frozen yet. Stay tuned. Christmas tractor. We're coming into the center of South Point. It's a little warmer here, 23 with the wind chill. See, we still have our new traffic pattern that we're dealing with. They put this barrier system dividing the east and westbound lanes on the turnpike, waterfall over there, so we're not sure if this pattern is going to be permanent or temporary. Still got the lights up, so we'll see how this goes. Stay tuned. We were hoping to see some dogs and cars intersect today, but as you can see, it's pretty quiet out here. Maybe next time. Stay tuned. More come. Christmas time. From here, but way up in the tree, there's a winter woodpecker out, working away on the tree limb. So not sure why they didn't go south for the winter, but maybe he's digging up some wood for his nest to make it warm. Stay tuned. Our winter solstice run is coming to an end. The sun's gonna set in about 3 hours. So, great way to celebrate the beginning of winter tonight. If you're not a fan of the winter solstice or the cold weather, you could always enjoy a nice warm coquito drink a little south from here, down in Puerto Rico. And if you're not a fan of adult beverages, then don't forget, you could also give your brain a workout because it's National Crossword Puzzle Day. Don't forget to give a shout out to the short girls in your life because it's also Short Girl Appreciation Day. And last but not least, don't forget our veterans and fallen soldiers on this National Wreaths Across America Day. So today's a day where we honor them by putting wreaths on the graves. We're going to take this left. We're done with our winter solstice run. Stay tuned. Bye.